Hello everyone, I'm Gangadhar, FB Manager. This is my first tutorial on YouTube. Please support my channel and please subscribe. And please follow my YouTube at all times. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Revit MEP User Interface 2022.1 Beginners Tutorial number 1. After watching the video, if you have any questions or queries, please send me an email or drop me a message, and please follow my Instagram. The user interface provides all the tools you need to work on a model. In this tutorial, a brief introduction about ribbon tabs, ribbon panels, and ribbon tools. For the first time, we open the Revit 2022.1 program. We will see the recent files window as you see on the screen. Recently opened families or recently created families. Families are just like blocks in Autocad. Side we can see models tab and families tab. From models tab we can open project models or we can create the new project models, and we can open families or we can create new families. Now if we click back button from the left side window, it opens empty space as we see on the screen, and we can see the ribbon tabs, ribbon panels, and ribbon tool. To go back to recent files window, we need to click home button as you see above. It can be called home window or recent files window. And now we will try to open a file from sample file folder for this exercise. Let's click the file ribbon tab. Here we can see the basic tools like new, open, save, save as, export, print, and close. If you click new, from there we can see create, new project, new family, new conceptual mass, new title block, and annotation symbol. We will be discussing this in future videos. If you click open, from there we can open a project or family or a Revit file and etc. And we can save a project, and we can save as with a new name, or we can export a file, or we can print a file, or finally we can close a file from the file ribbon tab. Aside from that, we have an option button. Just click it, then it opens an options window. We can change the option settings as required from this window. We will learn this in future videos. For now, I am using default settings. For now, we are going to open a sample file from Revit sample file folder. To open a file, go to File tab and go to Open and go to Sample Files folder. Then you will be redirected to the sample files folder. In that, we will be opening a file name called RME Advanced Sample Project. In Revit, we call it as a project, and in Autocad, we call it as a drawing. In this, we are going to open a project. If you see the type that it shows as a Autodesk Revit project, the extension of the file is .rvt. If you are opening a drawing in AutoCAD, then the file extension is .dwg. If we wish to open a family, then the extension of the file is .rfa. In Revit 2022.1, we have a very good option to find a project or a family version which was created in. Once you selected a file, at the right hand side, you can see the preview of the file along with the version of the file. This is more important in Revit because we cannot open latest version files in older version of Revit software. For example, we cannot open Revit 2023 file in Revit 2022.1. Please take a note of this. To open a file, just select a file and click open. We never should use a double click to open a Revit project file as we do in AutoCAD. The reason behind this we will learn in future videos. In this exercise, we'll learn how the user interface organization to support our workflow. After we open the project model or the file, this is the default view that we have. If you look at the top at the application title bar, we can see the Revit version with the project file name and with the specific name of the view. At there we have opened Autocad Revit 2022.1 version file, and the name of the file is rme underscore advanced underscore sample underscore project, and name of the view is 3D view WHP 2-3 system view. Another way of knowing the name of the current view, instead of looking into the application title bar, we can see at the project browser. In the view, we will notice that one of the view is in the project browser, it is highlighted. This portion, which is called as quick access toolbar, by default it is placed below the ribbon bar. If you wish to place above the ribbon bar, just click the drop down button and select show above the ribbon. Then you will notice that the quick access toolbar went back to their original location. It will be depend on your choose, whichever you want it to be, either above the ribbon bar or below the ribbon bar. What is quick access toolbar? This quick access toolbar contains a set of default tools which we use most often, which we can customize as we need it. For example, my most of the time used tool is duct under system tab. To add this to my quick access toolbar, we just click system tab and we will see duct tool. To add this quick access toolbar, we just right click on the tool and we will see this option. To add a quick access toolbar, just click this option. Now we can see this added to the toolbar. By doing this, if you are on a different tab like architectural but suddenly you want to use duct tool, you can just click duct tool on quick access toolbar. You don't need to go back to the system tab and select duct tool. Aside from that, if you wish to remove the tool from quick access toolbar, you don't need to go back to the systems and select the duct tool. All you need to do is just right click on the duct tool on quick access toolbar and just select the option to remove the quick access toolbar. Apart from that, you also have some other options like add separator, customize, quick access toolbar, show quick access toolbar above the ribbon. My option, I just want to remove the tool. So I will select this option to remove from quick access toolbar, so that that is what the use of quick access toolbar. Aside from that, the quick access toolbar and title bar, we also have home button. If you just wish to go back to your home window or recent files window or families window, just click home button. That takes you back to home window. Now you can see your recent files window. Again, if you wish to go back to the view, just click the home button again. That takes you back to your original view. Now you are at your original project view. For a short review, here you can see application button, home button. This portion here is quick access toolbar, and on the right side of your title bar, you will see this portion here. We call this is your info center. This portion here, so take a note that you can expand that, and from here you can search for whatever you needed. For example, if you wish to know about ducts, all you need to do is just need to type duct in search box. Revit will help you to quick look for online articles. I'm here to introduce myself. I'm Gangadhar, BIM manager with authorized Autodesk certificates. In this channel, you will learn Revit, Navisworks, and Autocad. With Revit, you will learn apartment projects MEP designing and commercial projects MEP designing, and also you will learn hotel projects MEP designing, and also you will learn residential projects MEP designing. In this channel, I will share with you required sample files in Revit format. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe.